Athiani ngomakule nondo kuma Monday next week. Most of the schools nesiobinga for the term 1 siana sienuke ngokuli azime the mekinda siana siomo nondo mbuela yuye nikwethiwa na masilanga maingi mausire kigo na na issues yani ni siana siwe tikalika kuyambo sene drone who let the parents keep close to the student ama to their children. Number 2, tamu ya kele ikambi ya May na niendo report kana as at yesterday all the bursaries here universities and colleges chaisia in by January. Then nodu net all the grade 10 students reported to their respective schools of their choice. Ninambia it's secondary schools bursary, of which only grade 10 no we have the data for Form 3 and Form 4s. Now the exercise was very successful yesterday. We started at Sultan Ahmad, the only good thing doing everything the applicant there was no issue. Na nima ni na nduma IBC alamate na mateo serekula ni mosi yo alamate na ibande no I moved to the people who are doing the registration IDs ni magusu in average yesterday a new voters ile register any over 500